This year, the Wellbeing Service is concentrating on creating experience students will remember. Students can take part in mind and movement activities through dance, art, and mindfulness demonstrations. As always, the service is a collaboration between students, teachers, and well-being staff, hoping to add a little lightheartedness into your academic calendar. You can meet us where you are, in your online or in-person class. Get involved by sharing your skills, find friends in student support groups, and try something new. Throughout the year, there will be introduction to well-being workshops, stress reduction sections, and celebration moments. Welcome to the Wellbeing Service. It is for you.